Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change the favicon on Wix.com. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can get started with my link in the description. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and click on here, design site. And from here, it will redirect you to another page. And after that, just simply go to the settings over here at the top. And from here, a drop down will show up. And you should be able to see here, guys, Favicon. So guys, from here, just simply click on this. And now, after that, you should be able to see here the Favicon tab. So guys, if you are using a free Wix, you won't be able to upload a Favicon. But if you are subscribed to a premium plan, you should be able to upload a Favicon. But first, we have to connect our domain over here and click on this. So guys, from here, just simply provide a domain for your site and click on Let's Go. And down below, you should have multiple domains that you can choose from as well. And now, once you have provided a domain, just simply click on Get It. And after that, just simply go ahead and provide a registration period. So it will be depending on you guys. You can choose 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year. And now just simply click on Continue. And after that, guys, just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed, like your contact info and your checkout info or a payment method. Now, once you have a domain, you should be able to upload a favicon. And if you don't know, guys, favicon is a little icon on your site in the URL. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about Wix, and thanks for watching. See ya!